what's up, you guys? This is Elias here with Team GDI and Slam Car Productions, bringing you another installment at the Automotive Tech building. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about a simple little sensor and show you its locations. This particular sensor, I would say it's very vital when it comes to the coolant going through the engines and like other passages that it goes around into. If it weren't for this sensor, shit, your engine would just would not know what's hot and cold. Now for this sensor, as soon as you switch over that key in the ignition system, it starts to work. As soon as you even, let's say, turn on a light, this thing's already reading that it's, let's say, like barely at warm, like around 80, 70 degrees. But as soon as it goes up to, I believe, more than 2 minutes, I'll start reading really high. For its location, I would say most of these things land behind the passages, I would say in the engine bay. They are really tricky to get to sometimes. So let's go see where it is. Sensors like these often have the tendency to either be really deep within inside the engine bay. Like I'm talking about hide and go seek type of stuff, like some professional hide and go seek. But to the trained professional eye, if you're really smart and know where to look and custom fix, I would say you would have to just bend your head over and go within the bay. Let's see, right here. Almost right there. And right there, my friends, is the location for that certain little sensor. Small little rheostat, what it is. Just two connector wires, a signal and a ground. But I'll let my friends Kevin and Fidel explain how the electrical properties work for this little sensor.
Hi guys, my name is Fidel.
My name is Kevin.
And today we're going to show you the ECT sensor circuit, its components, and how they function. First off, the ECT sensor is a high authority sensor for the PCM when the engine is cold, meaning your PCM will rely on the ECT's voltage reading to supply the correct amount of fuel to the engine in cold conditions.
The ETC sensor is a 2-wire rheostat sensor. One wire is a ground circuit, right here, usually grounded to the PCM, which is this. And the other wire is power, right here. When the coolant temperature is low, the PCM applies a glycol reference right here, as opposed to which the temperature is high. This is referred to as a negative temperature voltage.
When the temperature is usually low, between 120 degrees or less, the ECT sensor voltage will be applied through a high value resistor, which we see right here. When the temperature is usually high, above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, the voltage will be applied through a much lower resistor here. This allows for a very accurate reading of the coolant temperature in the cylinder. Right here, we're going to show you what an ECT sensor looks like up close. You can see that this is a 2-wire rheostat sensor that came off of most likely a Ford. And we're also going to show you another view of it here on this engine block, Toyota engine block, right by the coolant passage here on this side.
In the next slide, we will show you Jesus properly demonstrating how to diagnose